In this quick video, we focus on our education series. Our education line offers a variety of robust and easy-to-handle microscope series, perfect for students. Stellar microscopes are designed for easy setup and use, making them perfect for educational settings thanks to their unique features. The Redline family boasts sturdy, upright, and stereo microscopes with reliable mechanics and superb optics. Experience the Silver Line's revolutionary design and superior optics, featuring digital models for effortless wireless image transfer. Experience versatility with Motic's BA210, perfect for life sciences and medical applications, upgradable with various contrast methods. Unlock the power of digital microscopy with the Moticam range. Unmatched adaptability, ease of use, and versatility to view, capture, edit, and share your samples in many different devices. The MoticNet system allows you to remotely observe all live images from all connected microscopes of your classroom from anywhere in the room. For an in-depth look at the various Focus on Education models, be sure to watch the extended video.